What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another litty bitty baby. Hey, man, y'all know how I do it. We about to step outside, might carry me a floozy. Hey, man, look. Boy, the AM, I got to start off with drip, baby. The AMA today, I'm about to say Stunner. Not me. Forex Shark is going live in the chat today at noon, so that means he might come on about 5. No, I'm just kidding. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description. He will be in the AMA in the chat today at noon, going over everything. What's coming back, baby? We on it. But anyway, let's move on. Man, we got to talk about hey, look, man. These miners are just taking over. Everybody happy. And all of them. You know what I'm saying? But baked beans is the leader. All of them come from baked beans. This thing has crossed over 30,000 BNB in the contract. I'm trying to get to that half a billion so I can get to a billion. But everybody still, Stunner, man, I like baked beans and all that. It's paying good, but I need something I can get in the beginning, man. I need something new, man. What you got? I got you. Boom, I got you, baby. On the Matic network. Matic, Spear Finance is killing it. So I got you the Farmhouse, baby, the Farmhouse, the Polygon reward pool with the most organic daily return. Now I'm going to tell you what drew me to this. Now, I see 20 of these things a day. But they doing a little more deving over here. I got to give them credit now. They're doing a little more deving. You can see the contract, wallet, your seeds, your farmers, contract, farmer price. No, none of them do that. Even baked beans. Nobody know what the price of them is. These folks put the price of the farmer. Total referral rewards, you always see that. This is where you put your Matic in. Your reward, replant reward. See, I don't even know. That's crazy. I guess you get rewards when you reseed. I'm thinking that's crazy. That's what's up. Replant reward. You get, hey man, this is the main thing right here. Check this out. 2% DEL fee. They lowered the DEL fee, bro. Who does that? They lowered the DEL fee. That is crazy to me, man. Like, hey, and then they got the whole little referral leaderboard. I know some of y'all like counting pockets, so you can see the referral leaderboard over here. They got it right here. That's some Devin. Boy, to follow all the, hey, that's some Devin. Now check this out though. They gonna be doing an AMA today themselves at 1 o'clock. So instead of y'all asking me all these questions, ask the developer. They're going to be doing an AMA like this is a real project or something. I mean, it could be. Hey, it could be the next, I'm about to say, it could be the next baked bean. Baked bean been running for 6 months. This just started. Hey, man, just give me 2 months. I'm good. But anyway, there will be an AMA with the owner and notable YouTuber Murdoch. I never even heard of Murdoch, but some of y'all may have. But he going to be running the AMA. And they're doing it with another project called Wizardly on Chronos. So they, I guess they're trying to partner up. Yeah, see right here, it shows how effectively the team is promoting the project to ensure success and blah, 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 blah. So I guess they're doing something with Wizardly and another YouTuber. They out there. They answer all your questions. Ain't nobody else doing that. Hey, I'm looking at all these other miners and stuff, just trying to launch and get a little money. Nah, bro. These folks doing AMAs. And let's see. Let me show you. Let me see. They got an audit. And they got an audit, bro. So, and the good thing, they posted it. Now, this is transparency right here. Let me show you something. See this right here? 5.9% daily returns based on the audit date. So they telling you, we saying you get 7%. The audit say you get 5.96%. So that's what it is. Like they telling you that. So you ain't getting 7%. The audit say you getting basically 6%. So, I mean, that's transparency. And they got the link to the audit. You know what I'm saying? So what else? What else do you want? Tell me what else you want, bro. What you want me to look for? I can't read code. You know what I'm saying? So it's about the best we gonna get. And I don't think, I mean, shit. Yeah, would I prefer a Paladin audit? Yeah, but them damn thing costs on my, ooh. And and right now Certec ain't, they ain't looking too good. So, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's just that, man. So you come to these people Telegram and ask them the question. Go in the voice chat. You know what I mean? But I'm finna go in there. I ain't even in. They got 823,000 Matic in here. It just launched like what, yesterday? So I'm finna go and put do it reach your wallet? Where my okay? I got what, 89 Matic. I'm gonna put on. Start out with a little 8. Look, you know, don't go in here with your grandmama retirement money, bro. We come on now. How many times we got to go through this now? This just a little fun money, cause you know all the play stop come next Thursday when the animal farm is unleashed on the world. That was dramatic. I'm tripping, man. Oh, I know what I gotta do. I gotta give somebody that who got that Outcast reference. I gotta throw them a little bone yesterday on the video. See, when you comment on my video, I reward my people. Failed transaction. What we got going on here? What's up, Matic? Matic be doing that though. I hate quick swap, man. I really do. That's why you don't see me on now. I hate quick swap. So let me see what I got going on here, man. All right, boom, there we go. You know you gotta up that gas fee on Matic, boy. I actually had to do it on my phone, so it may let you do it on the computer, on the phone. Either way, it got done. So I got 1,100 seeds, and see that now? Contract done went up too, and I got 56 farmers. We'll see how it go, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, the Farmhouse.io. Join the Telegram, get in that AMA, see what they talking about, baby. But we're gonna keep it moving, shall we? I have to find a winner from yesterday's video to drop them a little something in their wallet, baby. Y'all know how I do. So let me go to newest comments first. See who's the first one that got it right. Nah, see that was, wait a minute. Is the newest comments first? So by, oh, newest first. So I got to go to I got to scroll all the way to get to the beginning. See who was first. See, a lot of people got it. You got to be first, but you got to hit them notifications, man. You got to come on. Listen to start a video all the way through. I be put little nuggets in there. Never know, I might. Like I'm finna do this person. Throw them a little BNB. You know what I'm saying? Throw you some BNB in your wallet. That's what I do. Not no shit coins. Straight BNB, baby. What we at? AT aliens, Outcast elevators. Come on, thing, get to the beginning. We got all day. Bruh, come on. Alright, here we go. And if you see your name on this list, bruh, shout out to you, man. Shout out to y'all. Let me see. Yes, what's good, Breeze? Another one. She in the house. The drip guard is spoken. Drip animal farm. Baking and eating beans in the kitchen, feeding pets on the patio, rattling. What? Oh my goodness! Shout out to Lucky Owl. I don't know what you're talking about, man, but I guess it's funny. Let's see. I thought that was something good. Good him up. Wasn't good him up. AT aliens, Outcast. It was actually the elevator. But it's the same person. I guess he figured out what he did. So Jamar, 3224. Send me your BNB address and Telegram, or you can just respond to the comment. However you know, YouTube be tripping with that, but send me your BNB address and Telegram. You the first one to get it, and I'm on. You know what I'm saying? I ain't like the other guy. I do what I say I'm gonna do. Sometimes I forget though. I do be forgetting, but you know what I'm saying. Send a Jamar 3224. You know what to do, home. Why? Let's keep it moving. Check out this Ruby Mine still going, baby. We got that baked beans still going. Got the Ruby Mine still going. We got the Farmhouse is the new one. We'll see how that work out. Hey man, everybody having these miners now. Don't forget, see, people always want something in, they always just think that's it. And that's just what it is. Nothing happened in between. Everybody happy now. Oh yeah, everybody want to throw a part of making all the money and everything. Just remember that now. There's always some good times. Cause boy, back when I was in crypto, when I first started, wasn't even no in between. You gave your money, you didn't get no money. That's how it went. Wasn't no in between to getting no money. You know what I'm saying? I have to keep pointing that out to y'all. I come from when we wasn't getting no money. You gave your money and it never came out. You gave your money. You know how many, what they call them, ICOs I'm still in that I ain't got nothing from? And that was ETH. I was giving away ETH, bro. Those taking millions, not getting anything. And here come these little miners, you getting money all in. Oh, it might end tomorrow. It might end Christmas Day. You getting money all the way in between. You know what I'm saying? You have to, hey, man, hey, it is what it is. But anyway, man, I'm going to go because I got to go catch a plane. I'm about to head to the airport. I'm going to miss the darn AMA with Forex, but it's all good. I already know. I am drip. I am Animal Farm. You ain't got to tell me how good it's going to be. I already know how good it's going to be. But y'all go over there and check it out, man. Anyway, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.